How to install application on Geometry C. So in previous video I showed you how you can install the file explorer. Now I will show how you will install applications by this file explorer. It's really easy. First thing, you need to input your disk on key in one of the USB slots, and you need to open this file explorer. Then you need to press here, and what we see our USB. Now I have some USB applications in my disk on key, and now I want to install this application. I press it once, and then I press on install, and next, install. And what we see installation process of some application. I don't want to open it. I will tap on down and go to menu, and what we see new application has been installed successfully. Hooray!